Hi, ladies and gentlemen, traders, welcome to this recap. I'm here to, show you the recap of the trade I took today. We're now going to the close of the month of May. And, this month wasn't good, for me because I have, a couple of losses. And especially at the beginning of the month. Traders, I did something very important which I can recommend all of you to do when you have a loss, especially a huge loss. What should you do? You have to dramatically reduce your share. That is what I did. I was trading with thousands of shares and I went down to even to 50 shares, which is very important. Why? Because you need to regain something. Your accuracy, yes, you need it. And that will give you more confidence. That is what I did. I had a loss. Instead to increase my share to try to recoup those losses, but I took my share down. That is something very important. It's hard to do because you're going to ask your question yourself. If I reduce my share from 1,000 to 50 or to 100, when am I going to recoup those losses? Traders, don't forget, focus on what you lost, your money management, instead to what you're going to gain. That is what I did. And I've been trading with the small shares. So today, I was trading again with those small shares in order to figure out how to gain back my confidence. As a traders, it happens. We have losing days, losing weeks, even losing months. Why not losing years? It happens. But you need to manage those losses. So today I took some trades. Maybe more than, I think, a couple of trades we're going to see during the recap. And you guys will see on my screen how many trades, how I enter and how I exit on my trade. And how I try to manage those losses or those gains. So I invite all of you, to, come with me and see the trade I took today. So let's go. First of all, let me reduce my picture here on the right corner, and let's see. Okay, now the market was about to open at 9:30. The market was about to open at 9:30, and then Eastern time, and the market, we just here, as you can see here, the S&P was opening almost flat, as you can see, and now the market opened 9:30 directly, as you can see now the movement. So I will start watching the market. As you can see here, my cursor is moving here. I was watching the market, at the opening. You can see how I was watching Tesla on top here. Tesla was here, and NVDA here, and S&P here. And I had other stock I was watching on my right, on my other monitor, because I have 4. So I was watching, my eyes was on Tesla and on NVDA at the open. So you can see my screen. You see my cursor here as I'm dragging my screen, That is how I started this morning. You can watch with me. And now I was figuring out. I saw how the market was, going to the new high. S&P here, going to the new high. I start now changing my, the quantity. And look at here, I took just 25 shares of Tesla. And Tesla was about to break out here, and I put 25 share of Tesla here. As I told you, don't forget that I reduced my shares. I was taking 1,000 shares of Tesla before. And, you know, and when I had a loss, I lost a lot of money. I lost thousands of dollars, or I can make $1,000. Don't forget, the share you take will determine the amount of money you're going to make or lose. Now I'm in. The first trade I took was here, as you can see, was NVDA. NVDA long, because I took NVDA long. Why? Why did I take NVDA long? Because the S&P/Y was on green candle, as you can see. This is the S&P/Y, ladies and gentlemen. Now I took NVDA long. You can see how my P&L is showing here. Look at my cursor here. You know, my P&L now. You see, I'm down $8, 6. Now NVIDIA is pulling back. And I was confident because I saw the market was trending up. The market was trending up. You know, the market crossed the 200 EMA here. And NVIDIA started pulling back. Where was my stop, ladies and gentlemen? My stop was here. It's a little bit far, but it was here. This was my stop. I was thinking that if NVIDIA was coming down right to, because this is my VWAP, you can see a blue line here. It was my, yes, it was my VWAP. Since the market was trending up, that is why I keep holding NVIDIA. I hold NVIDIA now, you know, and I was watching the market. I was watching the market and see how things would happen, could have happened. You know, as you can see, NVIDIA rejected at the bottom here. And it was a nice thing because NVIDIA rejected with the dirty. As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen. NVIDIA rejected for the first time. Even though the market started pulling down, you know, I was a little bit cautious, you know. And, you know, but I also understood that the market was coming down, but it have a support here. And NVIDIA started trending up. So I was a little bit, you know, confident. And I was watching the market. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I also took Tesla. Tesla short, as you can see. Yes, Tesla was short. And now, directly, I did what? Let me pause a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. You see here that the market starts pulling down along NVIDIA. And just when I saw the market putting this this red big candle, I was concerned directly. I was concerned about this red candle you can see here on my chart. That is why, if you can go a little bit back, you understand that NVIDIA wanted to, you know, NVIDIA put the green candle, and NVIDIA wanted now to go up. Directly, the market starts trending down. This is the big 5-minute candle, ladies and gentlemen. 1-minute candle. This is the big 1-minute candle. Now, the market just plays this big 1-minute candle. I was very concerned. Directly, I saw Tesla trending down. And now, I cut my loss. I just bail out from NVIDIA. Because I understood that the market is trending down. We don't forget, we need, you know, the trend is your friend. What do we call the trend? The trend is the market. When the market now starts pulling down, you have to be concerned about it. That is why right away Tesla responded to the market. And soon as I saw Tesla responding to the market, now I did what? Now I went short. Short means gaining money when the market is pulling down or is going down. That is what I did. I short Tesla directly because I was concerned. I saw the market now pulling down. And also, I did what? I didn't keep holding NVIDIA. I didn't. Right away, I bailed out. So I stopped out with NVIDIA because I understood that now the market also will trend NVIDIA down. Let's keep going and see what happened next, ladies and gentlemen. Now Tesla keep coming down. You know, Tesla is coming down. Now I bail out. I'm out of NVDA. Let's see if I was right or wrong. The NVDA. Now NVDA is coming down. Tesla now giving me money, as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen. You see here, this is my P&L on Tesla. Tesla is coming down. Now I'm concerned about the pullback of Tesla. Now I'm getting out of Tesla. Right away, NVIDIA now, you know, is bouncing. It's true, I was already out of NVIDIA, but the market is trending down because I'm concerned about the market. And NVIDIA now is doing the contrary. NVIDIA is going up as the market is coming down. And now, what did I do? Let's go back again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go back 5 seconds and see what I did. When I saw right away, as soon as I saw that NVIDIA didn't come down and the market is, you know, is rejecting from the lower, I did what, ladies and gentlemen? I did what? I went long again because I was already stopped out from NVIDIA. Now I'm going to buy NVIDIA again for the second time. Let's see. Okay, now I bought NVIDIA 20 share again for the long side. You know, I long NVIDIA. Why? Why did I long NVIDIA here? Because the market rejected at lower. You can see this rejection. And I went long NVIDIA. That was my point. Let's see how things works. And now I already, you know, I sold Tesla back. I bought it back. And I went out of Tesla because I didn't want to hold it. You see, I shot here and I went out here. And I make money on Tesla, which was good. If I didn't imagine that I keep holding Tesla here. You see the bouncing? I didn't know. Maybe it could have just hit my stop here. I could have been out of the trade. So the winning trade could become a losing one. So now I'm longing NVIDIA here for the second time. Let's see the outcome of this trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see the outcome of NVIDIA. Now the market starts trending down again, but NVIDIA is holding. Let's see. Let's see, watching, ladies and gentlemen. We're watching the market. We're watching the market, ladies and gentlemen. Let's forward it a little bit and see what happened. Yeah, let's forward again. Okay, now NVIDIA now is showing the green candle. Here I was right to come out from Tesla. If I didn't come out from Tesla here, it could have been a losing trade for me. You can see here. I went in here and I went out here. It was a one, 1-to-1. But if I didn't bail out here, it would have been a very losing trade for me. Now the market is bouncing on the green with the green candle. Let's see. Market is bouncing with the green candle. I'm still holding NVIDIA here. Okay. Now here, what did I do? Let me see. Let me go back a little bit and see. Okay. Now that Tesla is crossing the VWAP, the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA, it was above the VWAP, the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA. I decided to go long Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, you can look at here. Look here, ladies and gentlemen. My cursor is here. Tesla, reverse. And it crossed, it passed the way I went in. And Tesla keep going. Tesla crossed the 9, the 20, and my VWAP. Now, I feel confident to long Tesla again. I say, okay, here Tesla now is on the bullish side. That is why I went long Tesla. You can see here. I long Tesla again, 25 share. Let's see what happened. I'm still here on NVIDIA. Long, ladies and gentlemen. And the market is trending up. I'm already green on Tesla. Let's see what happened, ladies and gentlemen. I was right. And NVIDIA now start, following the market. Let's watch. And Tesla is pulling back. I'm still holding Tesla here. And also, I'm still holding NVDA in the meantime. I'm not getting out of NVDA because the market is on green. You know, the market is green, have a green candle. That is why I'm not getting out of NVDA. I'm still holding NVDA. Even though I was $1.50 down, because I was still holding NVDA because the market was trending up. Let's watch. And now NVDA is going. NVDA is going. I'm still holding. Great. NVDA came here. As you can see, you can just check here below my cursor here. You see that NVDA now is going up. Great. You can see. Now I'm already have 1-to-1 ratio. You know, I'm trying not to bail to no, I haven't get 1-to-1. I'm approaching. I have 50 cents already. Watching. I'm the same time I'm watching Tesla. I'm watching NVIDIA. I'm on both trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's forward it and see what happened. Okay. Let me go a little bit back. This is where I sold Tesla, NVIDIA. You can see. Tesla gave me $25 here with my 20 share. So that is more than 1-to-1. You know, more than $1 up. And also Tesla, I have 25 share of Tesla, and Tesla also is going up. It already give me more than $1 up. So that was also interesting. Let's see what I did, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm getting out of NVIDIA. I'm also getting out of Tesla. So those was a very nice trade for me, ladies and gentlemen, because I went out, you know, I made money on the two trades. So it was good. I hold on NVIDIA and it paid off. And where I got in on Tesla here, it also paid off. And I sold Tesla because I was on the resistance side. You can see double top, you know, double top here. So I couldn't keep holding the stock on the double top. So I took my profit. Pay yourself first, ladies and gentlemen. Very important. So it was nice. Two nice trade. No, the second trade I took, it was very nice. So let's see what I did next, ladies and gentlemen. I'm watching here. You know, we're going to see that Tesla going to reject. And this pattern, I've already seen it several times. I saw it over and over. Tesla going to reject. And now what I did was what? You know, let's see. I took Tesla long again. You know, as you can see here, 25 share long. Let's see what would happen. I took it long because Tesla crossed here, you know, this one, and I took it long. Let's see if it's going to work, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget that the resistance became the support. Okay, Tesla was here on the support side because it break out, and now the resistance became support. Let's see if I'm gonna stop out. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's watch, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch. I keep holding because he's on the support, as you can see. Let's see what Tesla did. Okay, now I bail out. Let's stop a little bit the video and comment. The way I bail out here wasn't good. I can tell because the stock hasn't do anything bad. You know, but in the back of my mind, the reason why I bail out was that Tesla used to, break out and then pull back, do the fake break. The fake break. Usually, that is what Tesla always do. And I was concerned about this dodgy on the S&PY. So that is why I bail out. But I didn't have any reason to do that for base of the chart. but I decided to do it. I don't know why, but in the back of my mind, I was saying that it was a fake break because he rejected. And he put the first green candle to make the new low and the second one. And that is how I bail out. Let's see what happened next. I cut my loss, if I can tell, if I can say. Okay. Now I'm looking for a short now. Let's see if I'm right. I'm looking for a short because I find out that Tesla rejected here. And I saw the rejection also on the SMPY. You can see here in the 5 minute. Now I'm thinking now to short Tesla. Okay, that is what I did. Now I short Tesla now to take Tesla to the low because I was thinking that it was a rejection, as Tesla used to do. It rejected the high. I took it for the short. It was too early for me because why? Because you can see here that the 20 EMA Tesla still, above the 20 EMA, and it's still above the 9 EMA, and also still above the VWAP. So another trader could have wait a little bit, be patient, and wait to take Tesla in this level below all those technical analysis. But I decided to go there because I was more, I was on the safe position. What do I mean that is that? What do I mean is that my stop was closed. I prefer to get in here instead of getting below this side because my stop is on high here. This candle, that is where my stop was. But this trade finally worked, but it was a very risky trade. That is what I can tell you. It was a risky trade, even though it works at the end. Because you can see that my stop was here below, above this candle, on top, somewhere here, that I placed my stop. And Tesla went close to that stop. He tried to shake me out of the trade, but I didn't I didn't bail out. I stick on the trade, and it finally paid off. Let's see what's going to happen. Let me forward the trade and see. Okay, you can see here how the trade start going. You see, yes, you see, it starts shaking me here. I said, oh, what am I going to do right now? I said, let me hold a little bit. Tesla used to fake people, and that is what it did for the second time. It was a fake break again. I keep holding here. I keep holding Tesla. On a 5 minute here, you can see. And on 1 minute, I keep holding Tesla. And finally, Tesla starts trending down. It was a fake break, as usual. So I keep holding Tesla here. Let's see. Let's forward it again and see. You can see here. You can see. Forward again. Yes, you can see Tesla start trending down. You see? Okay. Tesla start coming down. Tesla start coming down. And here Tesla went to the 20 EMA. And finally it break the 20 EMA. You can see. Keep going. Now Tesla start coming down. You see, ladies and gentlemen. I hung up on the trade and I stick doing what was good, and finally it pay off. You can see I'm up now, almost $8. Now I went out here. It was earlier, I know, but holding the trade from here to here wasn't easy for me. That is why I went out here. But Tesla keep trending down, down and down. And now I was looking for another trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch and see what I did. Let's watch and see what I did next. I'm now looking for another trade. Now I'm concerned, I'm looking at NVDA. NVDA now reverses from here to here. Now NVDA now cross what? NVDA cross the VWAP. Don't forget, we had a lesson recently about the VWAP, technical analysis. We said that it's important to short the stock below the VWAP. When NVDA crossed the VWAP, now I was concerned. Now I went NVDA short. You can see. I'm going to short Tesla, NVDA. Yes. Now I short NVDA there. 20 share on NVDA short. I short here, NVDA here. It means what? I got to make money when the stock keep going down. That is what I did. And you can see here how Tesla keep trending down. Okay. Now this stock also, this trade wasn't easy for me too, because it shook me a little bit, but I keep holding. I hold the trade because my stop was here on top of those technical analysis. It was a little bit high, but you know, that is what I did. That is where my stop, the good stop. Don't forget, placing your stop is not according to the dollars amount. If you think that you're gonna lose a lot of money, it's better to reduce your size. You know, very, very important, ladies and gentlemen. Very important. So I shot NVIDIA here, as you can see. I shot NVIDIA here, and now NVIDIA start trending down. But it shook me a little bit by trying to go up. You know, I was also watching the market, and in the meantime, the SMPY. The SMPY was trying to go below, you know, break the low on the day. I mean, it was trying to break lower, but it couldn't keep holding, as you can see here. You know, SMPY will keep holding. You know, I was concerned about it too. It started pulling back, and you know, I keep holding NVIDIA, keep holding, you know, and I was patient, you know. Let's see, let's forward it a little bit and see what happened next. Okay, now NVIDIA tried, now start trading down. When the market also break down, the market went to the lower, as you can see here, the SMPY. And now NVIDIA start trading down. Let's see. Let's watch NVIDIA and see. Now the market now break down here, as you can see, you know, with the spike. Even though the market break down, you know, NVIDIA will keep holding. I was very concerned. I was expecting NVIDIA to follow the market, but NVIDIA didn't do that. NVIDIA keep holding here. You know, let's see what happened next. Okay, finally, NVIDIA now starts, you know, I think, let me see, let me go back a little bit. What I did here. Let me see what I did. It looked like, ladies and gentlemen, it looked like when NVIDIA reached the 200 EMA, which is a yellow line. Yes, I took my profit. Yes, when NVIDIA was you know, having hard time to break the 200 EMA, which is a solid, you know, a technical analysis, a solid technical analysis, I decided now to take my profit here. It wasn't big, but it was important. It's better than letting your profit becoming a losing trade, you know, losing your profit again. That is what I did. So I went out and I took my small profit. And I was looking for another new trade. You know, I was watching Tesla again. I changed Tesla now. I put Baba. You know, I put Baba as you can see. Because Baba, I was looking Baba at Baba. Baba was weak. We're looking weak. And now I said, let me see Baba on the short side. So I'm about to short 50 share of Baba. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. You can watch here. And this is my P&L. And this is the quantity. I put 50 share of Baba. I'm about to short Baba, you know, getting money when the stock is coming down. Okay, I'm about to short. When Baba will cross this support, I will go short. Okay, now you can hear the sound. I shot Baba here, you know, when Baba will coming down, but Baba gonna pull back, you know. And I was a little bit concerned, but that's fine because when the stock break with a spike, you have to pull back. Normally, I was supposed to wait for the pullback, you know, for the entry, but I didn't wait. Anyway, it happens sometime. But let's watch. You can see also here, ladies and gentlemen, about NVDA. You see, NVDA keep having hard time to break, you know. So let's see. Anyway, I wasn't in NVDA trade because I already, bail out of NVDA. Let's see what happened to Baba. The problem here with Baba was that Baba, I didn't, I don't have a specific target on Baba. That was the point. And Baba gave me money, but it wasn't enough based of the quantity of share I took. I took 50 share. Normally, I was supposed to collect approximately 25 or 50 cents, but I didn't take 50 cents of Baba. I just took something like 15 cents, or 10 to 15 cents on Baba. So it wasn't a great trade, but anyway, it was better than zero. Let me forward it. You see, Baba is coming down. Now it's retesting. Okay, Baba is coming down now. Normally, I was supposed even to add here, on this trade. But since it wasn't my plan, that is what I didn't add. You can see. Let's see. Baba is coming down, as you can see here. And I won't hold this trade for long. Soon I will bail out. Whereas it was a great trade, I was just supposed to wait to keep holding this trade, and I could have made more money. You see? So now I'm already out because I put the limit order here on the trade, and now it trigger my limit order trigger. Anyway, it was a very nice trade also. Even though I went out earlier, you can see how it keep going down. It was a very nice trade for me. So I think I took another last trade, but I'm not sure. Yes, I think when I was also concerned about here. Let me see. I saw how NVIDIA went up and I hit my VWAP. NVIDIA started reversing. I was concerned about it. I said, let me short NVIDIA for this time again because it's showing me that it's going down. And that is what I did. Let me send it a little bit back to 10 seconds. And let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to short NVIDIA again. You can see. I'm checking. Okay. I'm going to short now. Okay. Now I short NVIDIA now. This time I didn't go with my full shares. I took a little bit, small. Why? Ladies and gentlemen, I just took small share because I already make money. I don't want to, I don't have want to, risk again the gain I already made, ladies and gentlemen. And you can see how, look at here, I went out earlier and I left a lot of money on the table with Baba. It happens, ladies and gentlemen. It happens sometimes. You go out of the trade and the trade keep going. Let's see. Now I'm here in NVIDIA. NVIDIA now starts trading down again. It start trading. You can see my PNL here, ladies and gentlemen. Here, where my cursor is, you can look at my PNL. So, and now NVIDIA start trending. Trending. You keep holding a little bit. Let me forward it a little bit and see. Now, yes, NVIDIA now, you can see my PNL here, ladies and gentlemen, at the bottom. So, I keep watching. Yeah, you can see here clear, keep watching NVIDIA. Keep watching. And this was my support here. So, keep watching. NVIDIA is trending down. Now, I'm trying to recover, for $1, 1-to-1, because I risk $1 to make $1. Let's see. Okay. Now I already have $1 down. Now I will prepare to bail out here. You can see. So I think that was my last trade, ladies and gentlemen. This was my last trade, and now I'm bailing out here. I already have $1, and now I'm on the support side. You can see. That is why I went out of the trade, ladies and gentlemen. This morning was very nice. It was a good day for me, and you can see my results here, ladies and gentlemen. This for the morning, this morning. So this was a $65 I make today, and it was gorgeous, it was very nice. So you guys will ask me, what are you making small gain? Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, that I took down my shares. I reduced my share. Why? Because I need to rebuild confidence. When that is the best thing you have to do, traders. When you have a losing day, losing week, or month or year, you have to cut your share down. Even the biggest traders, the big traders, big professional traders, this is what they do. You can't lose money and keep adding shares. That it doesn't work that way. So, because you need the trust, you need to rebuild your confidence by having winning trade. And that is what I have to do. Small, little by little, I will start building my confidence again. I will start now increasing my share again and go to my former quantity. So, traders, ladies and gentlemen, this was my recap of this morning. And I hope that you guys will take a look of it, and you will, you appreciate it and like it and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And I appreciate you. Thank you for being here in Trade Africa. Bye.